How to download and install the Facebook application on your device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily download Facebook on your device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Facebook is a social media platform owned by Meta Platforms. It was launched initially in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommate at Harvard University. Facebook allows its users to create profiles, connect with friends and family, share photos and videos, post updates, join group, and many more interactions like those. So the very first thing that you want to do here is open up your Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS device, and then tap on the search bar at the bottom right. Now you can just search for FB or Facebook, and then you will see the official app here. As you can see, this is the most popular app on Google Play Store. It has more than 10 billion list downloads. So you can just click on install and Facebook will be now installed on your device. By default, Facebook will be installed in most of the devices, but if for some reason you have deleted it, this is how you install it back again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.